Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomhamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, we'll learn how to use Elementor button element and how to implement in your website to make it more beautiful. So first of all, we'll go to this where we can find our Elementor elements, and there we have sections. So I hope you know how to create section, and inside sections how to create rows and how to create further column and rows. You know how to create these kinds of beautiful designs. And so we will create it like this. We'll click on to structure. For two sections we have defined. First sections we want to define here a simple video, and next section we want to define here a button. Now we'll go back again in this area and we'll pull some button again here for this video, and for this button I want one text. So I'm going to pull a text editor and I'll drop here some data so we can make it beautiful. And now if we'll click on the edit button for this one, let's say you have a type info, success, warning and danger. It's all about the different colors which is predefined, preset. You can choose anyone, but by default option is better. Next option we have a text. You can change the text which is there inside the button. You can write here click to play, and then if you have any link you can attach in this link area. Let's say I want my website to be there, that is gomhamaya.com. I'll paste here, and if you click on the link option, there's an option which says open new window. And if you're using any third-party link, you should use add no follow. If it's your if the link is related to your own website, then don't choose add no follow, because it's going to take all the link juice from your website if you're going to link the third-party website. For third-party website no follow is required, and for your own website no follow is not required. So now we are going to choose the alignment. We want it to be in the center, so you can define the alignment according to the design. Let's say if you're using on the tablet, then for a tablet you want it to be which side, this side, justified or right, left. Justified is looking more better for tablet version, and even for mobile version it's looking good, yeah. But if you click on the tablets, yeah, it's desktop is looking good, like center, right? The size you can choose small, medium, large. I guess small is good for me. We can try large, medium also. And next we have icon. You can choose icon as you can upload the SVG, or you can choose the icon from the library. Go to this option and search videos, and I'll click this, insert. See, video button is there, click to play. And next we have the icon position. You want it to be before or after, so I guess this one is better for me. You can maintain the icon spacing. You can increase the spacing between the icons and text, and you can create a button ID, if you want to add additional CSS for your button, then you can button ID, or if you want to target that particular button itself, then you can add button ID. Next, if you'll move up, there's a style section. You have option to choose typography. You can choose the button font, size of the button, and then weight of the font. And then you can choose transformation, lowercase, uppercase, whatever you want you can choose. And then you have style, normal, italic, bold. You can choose from the weight, like bold, complete bold. I want like weight. And then you have decoration. You can choose underline, or you want overlay, you want line through. So it's none is looking good for me. And you can define line height. So you can change according to your desktop, mobile and laptop, so it will be more responsive I'll make it in the center. Okay, fine, it's looking good. 33 for laptop, and then I guess for tablets is looking good, and for line height for mobile is also good, right? And then you can manage the latest spacing for mobile and laptop, computer, desktop, everything you can manage. And then latest spacing is there, you can manage from this area. And then we'll close this. Now we have text shadow. You can add a text shadow if you want, horizontal shadow a little bit, and then if you want a vertical shadow is there. And then you can blur the, then you have blur the shadow option. This will going to blur the shadow. You can see there's a backend shadow, you can blur it all according to needs. I'll click here, and then we have shadow for hover. You can change when you want to hover, like currently hover we have set nothing. Currently we can change the button to according to our design. We can choose the button color. It's Elementor, right? So we are going to choose Elementor color. I guess this will look better for Elementor. And you can use CSS picker for choosing the color of the same Elementor. And then you can even add a color gradient, or you can add a normal classic border padding. You can add from, you can even add border for your button dash coupon option. If you, when you are using creating coupons button, then you can use like this. Currently I'm going to check it none. And then we have hover option. Inside hover, let's say text color should get changed to yellow. You go hover it, it got changed, white got changed. And for this one we have set some background color, right? Background color is set to this one. And then for hover we want to change it to something which is visible. Okay, yeah, seems visible, right? Similarly you can add color. This is for text color. And you can add button color. Button color, when people will hover over the button, it will be like changed to this color. See, it got changed when you hover. So this is for color. And you can add border radius, a border color. You can give a border color to anything, like I'll make it this. Hover animation, you can choose. See, when you hover, it's pulse. This pulse shrink, it will shrink, pulse and shrink, like that animation is there. And then we have border type. You add a border, and border color, you can see you have added the border color. And from here you can border add type. It was none earlier, but now you can add border type. You can adjust width from top, right, bottom, left. Border radius from top, bottom, left. And these width is for the border type. Border type, let's say I want 5 on the top, and it's going to give 5 from each and every sides. Let's say if you increase it to 20. This is basically for hover section. You are adjusting it for hover section. You are not inside the normal section, so it's taking the hover one. If you go inside the normal one, you can adjust border and radius padding for normal section. This is for hover section. We are editing for hover section now. I hope you are clear with these settings. You can manage padding from top. Okay, I'll uncheck this link value generator. Like whatever changes you are doing here, it will change to right, left, everywhere. So you just unlink this and you just increase. From top I want padding, from bottom I want from right I want some padding. So you can add like this. So these are the uses of padding. You can design according to your tablets or mobile phones. These are the topics were there inside the button. We have discussed each and every topic, and now there's an advanced section. I'm going to talk a generalized advanced section for each and every topic, so you can learn and understand instead of making advanced section for each and every element separate. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.